Today we're going to talk about making a rib. We have some various ones here we can use in the past. Here's one right here we made. Here's another one we made. Here's one that is pre-bought, and here's another one here. These are softer ribs than come in your sets. So you just got to be aware of that a little bit. These are going to be a little bit softer, and that's what we need to make are some softer ribs. I have kind of made one here a little bit already, cut it out with some scissors, got a basic shape in, and that's what this part shows right here. Here's another one card ready to go. I'm going to show you how to do this whole process first. First thing you want to do is you want to grab a Sharpie, kind of trace out a basic shape of a rib you want to make. I'm keeping the flat edge on the bottom here. This will kind of just help me with some basic shaping of my piece. Then I take my scissors and I begin to cut them out. Follow the edges. As long as you have a little bit of a round shape, it's kind of what you're looking to do. So I have kind of a rib shape there I've made. So I have two different sizes and shaped ribs here. One thing I can do is I can go over it with some sandpaper here and kind of get rid of those sharp edges I might have on it. And work on getting those edges off and sand it down a little bit on a big piece thing. And then I have a couple ribs that'll work just like this one here will. And you have some homemade ones that just use some old gift cards and stuff like that for shaping the clay inside the piece, and we'll demo how these are going to work throughout the year. So you have a couple of extra ribs you can use.